Stella. What's the matter? Is Max stealing your toy? Yeah? I'm sorry. Oh, what's out there? Are you mad or are you sad? Really? No, really? Oh my. I'm surprised. I'm surprised, Boo Boo. Really? Hi, Bug. What's the matter? Is Max hurting your feelings? Yeah? I'm sorry. Really? Mean old Max. Oh, what happened? That was your tail, you doof. That was your tail, you doof. I love you. Hi. Are you sad because he's hurting your feelings? I'm sorry. Okay, we'll turn the camera off.